Hello everyone, my name is Shasta and I'm going to explain about the event management systems. Here are the topics which we are going to discuss in this video. I'm going to explain about the abstract, existing system, proposed systems. Then my friend will be explaining about requirement implementations and UML diagram, and the rest will be explained about one of my friend too. Here is the abstract of our project. Here, Book My Event or Event Management System is an online internet site for online occasion management, gadget bookings on date and time basis, on the way or to higher facility meetings, family functions and cultural occasions, etc. If you want to book a marriage, then you have to normally go and take a look at everything, which is time consuming. So here is a website which helps you throughout it. The internet site helps any authorized person to book the halls from internet, and additionally indicates the availability of particular halls at the selected time or date. This website also handles various devices. Booking include meals, catering, audio, gadgets, listening, video recordings, and so on. This challenge is aimed to assess customer manipulating number of events all throughout the year. It serves identically as capable of an event supervisor. It's like normally supervising everything. This assignment affords most of the capability required for an occasion. Our foremost purpose of this task is to provide a perfect way to ebook any event. I'll give you a short introduction before existing system. Assuming a nation having one of a kind districts, in each district it's similarly having extraordinary sectors which may additionally contain around 1,000 households or more than that. So every household has to book an event or something in their life. So every circle of relative head characters resides in the area of part traveling. You need to lay out a development on online websites for online occasion controlling machine booking on date and time basis. So on the way to higher facility conferences, own family features or cultural occasions and many other things, the website facilitates any legal individuals to book an event like hall booking. Additionally indicates the provision of specific halls at a chosen time and date, and it also provides you with the rates and the cost of like the whole event. This internet AI also handles the diverse gadgets reversing such as food caterings and lightning video recordings. So it's easy to book an event anywhere. And about the existing system, in the present machine, the people have to go to characteristic halls in metropolis for availability on a specific date and time. In addition, they want to know what type of facilities supplied by the hall and rate so forth. So therefore the procedure of visiting and locating right corridor for occasion is time process. So that's why we are planning to make an application where it is easy for people to book their events easily, and the rest of the parts are explained by my friends. Thank you. Hello, my name is Shai Software. I'm going to discuss about the feasibility study. Here there are three types of feasibilities which we can face during our project. So it is actually a technical feasibility. It's one of the technical feasibility. Its technical feasibility. Technical feasibility is concerned with specifying the hardware and software program in a good way to correctly get the task required. And the other one is optional feasibility. It is able to require humans to accumulate vulnerabilities. Most of them are like component auth or without doubt presented to the control, so that the control can take worried people and exercise sessions as answer. And the Third feasibility is economical feasibility. So economically, the project is very cheap, but the projects are commonly evaluated on financial basis. They have to display financial returns that outweigh the price. Such analysis is referred as because the price advantage evaluations. Benefits essentials are sought, tangible and intangible.
Hi everyone, I would like to discuss about the proposed system in this presentation. Inside the proposed machine, we develop an online internet site mission entitled as Book My Event. This mission ought to lessen the time in ordinary hall booking procedures. In ordinary reservation, we need to spend greater time to book a corridor. However, this challenge is used to e-book a hall inside 5 minutes. The customers can view all the function halls, occasion halls in detail inclusive of region, centers, the fee structure, corridor availability, and many others, and can access it from anywhere through the internet. So the customers can save their precious time and they can cancel the reservation at any time. The software requirements for this project are listed below, and the operating system used in this project is like for the Microsoft Windows or any other advanced Java language is used. Web technologies like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, JSP is used. Web server is Tomcat. Java version is JDK 1.7.0. Oracle is the database server. Requirements for this project are listed below. We are going to use the dual core processor and with a minimum of 80 gigabytes of the hard disk and at least 1 GB of RAM.
So the software engineering model of the project has all this, which is like requirement analysis, project planning, detailed design, coding, unit testing, and system integration, which can be discussed in next presentation. Thank you.
The next slide is about use case diagram. Use case diagrams describe the high-level functions and the scope of a system. These diagrams also identify the interactions between the system and its actors. Use case diagrams are helpful in situations like before starting a project, we can create use case diagrams to model a business so that all participants in the project share an understanding of the workers, customers, and activities of the business. While gathering requirements, we can create use case diagrams to capture the system requirements and to present to others what the system should do. During testing phase, we can use case diagrams to identify tests for the system. In the given use case diagram, we can see both for user and admin. The user can register, can search events, can book calls, can add additional services. The user can do the bill payment and can also cancel the booking, whereas admin can add or update halls. The admin can add or update decorations, other services, and catering. They can view users and can upload event information. Now we will see about the activity diagram for the user. To start the process, the user has to log in with the existing user details by entering his user ID and password. If it is a new user, the customer has to register for further steps. After completing the registration, the user will be able to log into the website. The system will check the details. If it is not valid, the user will be asked to re-enter the details. After this, the booking module is displayed. In this, user will be able to book event by choosing date, place, and time. The user can confirm or can cancel the booking. Once confirmed, he can do the bill payment by entering the card details. If the payment is confirmed, the event details is displayed. Class diagram. The class diagram is the main building block of object-oriented modeling. It is mainly for general conceptual modeling structure of the application. The classes in a class diagram represent both the main elements, interactions in the application. The given diagram is the class diagram for registration and login module. Classes are represented with boxes which contains 3 different compartments. The top compartment contains the name of the class. It is written in bold and centered, and the first letter is always uppercase. The middle one contains the attributes of the class. They are left aligned. The bottom compartment contains the operations the class can execute, and they are also left aligned. Now let's see about the scope of a project for future improvements. It cannot be always possible to update a device according to the user's requirement. Some of the potential future upgrades are: as the season progresses, it is possible for miles to improve the gadget and may vary with our favorite locations. Because miles are entirely based on an object-oriented structure, so any continuous transition can be easily changed. The next one is based on future security issues. Security can be further the use of emerging technologies. The next one is about adding additional modules which can be imported based on the necessity. And the final one is for usable users, purchase information can be sent to their emails or cell phones by adding this service to the server. The next slide is about conclusion. I want to conclude from this project that we were able to analyze what is lacking from Java, Oracle database, and JSP based applications. The customers who want to book hall for their events, now there is no need to waste time by going around. They can register on website through online and can book hall according to their choice just by sitting at their homes. And this kind of applications will provide a platform for startup companies in the future too. With this, I end up our presentation. Thank you.